Cough is nothing but a defense system of the organism that normally aims to eliminate or expel any foreign body in the upper or lower respiratory tract. Depending on the cause and severity, cough can be very unpleasant. That's why in today's video, we're going to introduce you to a simple and effective recipe for cough, which consists only of mint leaves. According to a study by the University College London, mint contains menthol, which improves airflow in the nasal cavity and relieves the symptoms of sinus congestion. It also has expectorant, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anesthetic properties. In this way, it helps to expel mucus from the throat and lungs and to reduce coughing. The brown sugar, on the other hand, leaves a softer taste when chewing the leaf. You can also use honey in this recipe, which is highly recommended for its many benefits. This is because honey is rich in antiviral, antibiotic, expectorant, and anti-inflammatory properties. For this reason, honey helps to fight inflammation and eliminate secretions that affect the respiratory tract. In addition, honey is recommended as a substitute for antibiotics for coughs, according to new health guidelines from the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence. It's also a source of zinc and vitamins A and C, which strengthen the immune system. It's quite easy to make this remedy at home. Take 1 teaspoon of honey or brown sugar while chewing the mint leaf. It's important to chew the mint well so that its juices are released and come into contact with the throat. Do this treatment 3 times a day for up to 7 days or as needed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.